In this video, I'm going to show you how to register a newborn baby birth certificate in BC, Canada. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so step one, register the birth. So in BC, you must register your child's birth within 30 days after they are born. Who can register? So the parent or parents or legal guardians of the baby. Both parents must agree on the information if both are listed. How to register. So you can use the online birth registration system. It's part of a bundle service that lets you also apply for a few different things. So birth certificate, Canada Child Benefits, your SIN number, medical service plan, MSP for BC health coverage. Now the information you'll need. So you'll need the baby's full legal name, date and place of birth, parents' legal names, birth dates and birthplaces, details about the birth, hospital or home, name of attending doctor or midwife, also your mailing address and contact details, also your social insurance number, optional for benefits. Now this process takes roughly 20 to 30 minutes to be completed, and you can pretty much do that in one sitting session. Step two is to apply for the birth certificate. So after registering the birth, you can request a birth certificate. There's a few different types available, so you can get the regular birth certificate, which includes a child's name, date and birthplace. Your birth certificate with parental information. This includes the parents' names, often needed for passports. Alright, so how to apply. So you can do this online after the birth is registered. You can also apply later if needed. And there are some fees here, so usually around $30 to $60 depending on the certificate type and delivery method. Processing times 2 to 4 weeks depending on the volume and delivery option.